Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik. And in today's news, we have an enemy battler of a Berserker Kobold and a Master Kobold by Ujie Masala, a character out of a casually dressed female and two males by Nia Hoya, a character out of a hooded murderer by Panda Hero, Miraculo Island, a visual novel-style game about spending 8 days on a mysterious island with 5 other people. Left Home, an exploration game about spending time with your family on the weekend and doing activities around the house. An icon pack of around 280 RPG items by Sebastian Camara. A music pack of 13 JRPG and adventure tracks by Silver Nimbus. A music pack of 14 90s retro adventure themed tracks by Takayuki Amanuma and the Gotcha Gotcha Games. An MV and MZ plugin by Galen Marith that makes every game look pixelated and sharper when it is upscaled to full screen or to a higher resolution. An MZ plugin by Toria Kontan that allows us to adjust the message speed with a variable. A pack of pixel emotion balloons by Caster. And 10 animated balloon sprites by Sebastian Camara. And lastly, an article tutorial by Hidden One on eventing a card game. And that is all for today. Go back to game making now.